The other brand, it goes to 18,000. Another is the Mini Hi-Fi system. Mini Hi-Fi system has a 3-disc DVD changes, karaoke function, MP3, JPEG playback, and USB function. So, if you have a USB, you can make use of it and apply it here, and you can watch the favorite movies that you have, and you can feel the surround sound, a wide bass, and you can feel the sound. So, even you are washing dishes, you want to feel the sound, and it seems that you want to run, because when you are watching movies like James Bond, you feel that you are in a part of the play, of the cinema. It is that you are the one who will be shooting from. See? We have also amplifiers, a woofer, and the component which amounted to 6,990. What can you say, ma'am?
Okay, it's nice. Your features are good, but it's quite expensive. Parang hindi ko yata kaya. Masyadong mataas.
So, natataasan po kayo, ma'am, sa presyo. Okay. So, yes, I admit it is expensive, ma'am. But, ma'am, I can assure you of the very good quality, and it is worth the price. There may be other stores out there that can give you a cheaper ones, but I don't want you to come in regret because of the poor quality they offer. You'll end up buying again, which is constantly, madam, right?
I agree with you. I have experienced that buying less expensive one, and I have experienced that it lasted only for a month. But for now, I am looking for a wise buy.
Wise buy. Do you know that our TV set is cost only to 240,000, and we are known worldwide for our innovation, and we are greatly appreciated by the nationwide about the home appliances. So, what can you say again, ma'am?
I think it's over. Can you give me a quotation of your list of your prices?
Okay, ma'am. I have here the quotation of prices. So the amount of our appliance is 240,000.
That is for cash basis.
Cash basis. But when you buy it as a cash basis, I will give you a digital media port. Are you aware of that, ma'am? Digital media port?
Not so. How can we use that?
Digital media port is a Bluetooth-enabled devices. Like mobile phone. Do you have a mobile phone, ma'am?
Yes.
Laptops.
Yes.
How about PDA? So, you can play music or play video wirelessly through that digital media port. And do you know how much is the price of digital media port, ma'am?
If you will buy that only for that unit, how much is it?
It goes to 13,700 pesos.
But if I would avail that in cash, that will
if you buy our product into cash, I will give you this digital media port for free.
For free?
Yeah. And if you want an installment basis, if you avail our installment basis, 50%, you have to avail 50% down payment, and the remaining balance, and the manner, I will jot it down for you. If you avail our installment basis, 50,000 by down payment, and the remaining balance, and the manner of payment, payable in 1 year, will have additional interest of 15% monthly. But if you prefer this installment, mawawala po yung free namin na digital media port. Sayang naman, di ba, ma'am? So, just limited edition lang po within this week. So sa susunod po na linggo, bali mas tataas na po yung presyo. Imbis na 240,000 po, magiging 380,000 up to 415,000. Mawawala na rin po yung
media port.
Digital media port. Wala na po yun. Additional price na po yun. Just like what I have said to you, 12,000 plus. So when you buy it now, I will give you can avail our promo, a free digital media port. So what can you say, ma'am?
If I would avail the short-term basis, instead of giving only the 50% for down payment, I would give more than that.
Okay.
But still, you have to give me the unit of that media port, digital media port.
Okay, the digital media port. Okay, the choice is yours. Pero siguraduhin nyo lang po na ngayong ito nyo mababayaran yung 50%. Are you agree of that, ma'am?
Yes, it's only 50%.
Account
I said.
Okay.
But does your company accept manager's check?
Yes, ma'am. Of course. I have here, here's my calling card. So, here's...
So, in my check, I will give 150,000 pesos.
Okay, I agree of that,
Within
ma'am.
this week.
Within this week. And I will give you a free digital media port. So,
I just call you up if I will give you the check.
okay, ma'am. I will wait for your call. And if you have decided to purchase, anyway, ma'am, you can visit our shop at 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and during weekdays. But in weekends, you can visit us from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Okay? Okay, just wait for your call and prepare them the check.
Okay, madam, I will expect for your call. Thank you for your time and nice meeting you, madam.
Okay?
Okay. Once again,
Nice meeting you too.
I'm Riley Garcia, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Do you know